Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Walmart notifications on your iPhone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who no longer want to see those Walmart discounts or coupons being sent to you as notifications. How do you actually turn those off? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is you're first going to go into your settings tab here. And then on this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says notifications. So click on notifications. And then next, you want to scroll all the way down until you find your Walmart application. So keep in mind that this is listed in alphabetical order. So Walmart is right over here. So click on your Walmart application. And then right now I have my Walmart notifications enabled. So click on the allow notifications toggle button, and then the notifications will be turned off. But if you want to return it back on, just click on the toggle button again, and then there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off Walmart notifications on your iPhone. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.